creators! For this month's Roundup, we're recapping all of the exciting launches just announced at Made on YouTube. These launches give you a sneak peek into the future of YouTube and what's to come over the next few months. Let's dive in. Welcome to my channel, Earn and Inspire. Communities are a new destination on YouTube where creators and fans can come together and build deeper connections. Think of communities as dedicated spaces linked from your channels for you and your fans to discuss content, share fan art, post polls, converse with like-minded individuals, and more. Once you enable communities on your channel, you and your subscribers will be able to create and share posts, and you'll be able to moderate these posts. This product is currently in the experiment phase and will start launching to more creators in the coming months. We're evolving the Comments tab in YouTube Studio mobile app to be called Community. This community hub will help you more easily engage with your fans in a number of ways, including comment reply suggestions, which are editable AI-enhanced reply suggestions reflective of your unique style and tone, giving you a helpful starting point to reply to comments. Community Spotlight, a carousel that highlights some of your key commenters, plus easier discovery of audience metrics like number of comments on your content and returning viewers. Select features will become globally available in the coming weeks, and comment reply suggestions will roll out gradually over time. We're introducing Hype, a new way for viewers to show they enjoy your content on top of liking and sharing. We built this feature to help smaller creators with 500 to 500,000 subscribers be discovered by new audiences. Viewers can hype your latest videos up to 3 times a week. The more viewers that hype a video, the more likely it is to land on the new hype leaderboard with some of the other most hyped videos of the week. This leaderboard is separate from the Trending tab and will show as a new destination under the Explore section or after a viewer hypes a video. This is currently an experiment on mobile for a small group of creators in Brazil, Turkey, and Taiwan, and we will let you know when the test group is expanding to more people. We're expanding auto-dubbing, our AI-powered dubbing feature, which helps you reach more audiences around the world. We're opening up the tool to hundreds of thousands of creators. Channel owners will receive a notification via email when their channel has been given access. In the coming months, English can be dubbed into Spanish, Portuguese, French, Italian, and more, or for the content in those languages to be dubbed into English. You can choose which languages will be automatically dubbed upon upload with an opt-out available. We're expanding to more creators and languages in the coming months, so keep an eye out. We're introducing GIFs powered by Jewels. Jewels are digital items that unlock new ways for you to earn from viewer participation on YouTube. Viewers can purchase Jewels to send GIFs to show their support and appreciation for you and your channel. Jewels and GIFs will be available on vertical live streams launching in the US over the coming months. We're expanding our inspiration tool to provide even more personalized ideas and transform how you approach ideation and content creation. We're launching AI-powered ideas for your content, outlines, hooks, titles, and thumbnails to kickstart your creative process. You can use these suggestions to build fully fledged projects or simply riff off of them, whatever works best for you. Most of these updates will roll out in Studio toward the end of this year, apart from AI-powered hooks, which will come in 2025. Next year, we're planning to expand the tool to allow you to brainstorm content from anywhere in Studio. For more info on all of these announcements, check out the links in the description below. See you next video. Don't forget to support the channel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Hit the like button to show your support and leave a comment to share your thoughts or ask questions. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might find it useful. Your support means the world to me and helps me create even better content for you. Thank you.